Hi dear customers, this is Casey from Guangzhou QLQ company. Today we'd like to introduce our QLQ newest zipper for you. You can see this zipper is a nylon zipper. It looks similar to the standard one, but in fact it's different with the standard one already. So the difference is on the zipper tape. You can see this zipper tape is with elastic, and this is the standard one. This one without any tension, without any elastic feeling, because this is a normal fabric, and this is the elastic tape. So with the elastic tape for nylon zipper, the advantage is we can use this nylon zipper for the suitcase, such as the suitcase or some customer call trolley bag. So then it can bear the strong tension, pulling. See, also for different tent, TE and T-tent, so it also can bear strong pulling. So if you need such this function zipper, you are welcome to contact us. We are in Guangzhou City in China. Okay, thank you for your interest. Thank you.